Welcome children. In this video we will do question and answer of lesson 1, the best Christmas present in the world. So you will take out your copy and start with a new page. Write first lesson number 1, then heading as the best Christmas present in the world, and after that you will write subheading answer the following question, and then you will write part 1. Question number 1. Only 2 questions are there in part 1. Question 1. What did the author find in a junk shop? J-U-N-K, junk shop. Question mark. Answer 1. The author found an old roll-top desk in a junk shop in Bridport. B-R-I-D-P-O-R-T. Bridport. You will write B capital, because it is the name of a place. It was made in early 19th century of oak wood. Full stop. After completing answer, you have to draw line. Question 2. What did he find in a secret drawer? Question mark. Who do you think had put it in there? Question mark. Answer 2. In a secret drawer, the narrator means author, N-A-R-R-A-T-O-R, narrator, found a small black tin box that contained C-O-N-T-A-I-N-E-D, contained a letter. Full stop. Mrs. M-R-S, Mrs. Connie, C-O-N-N-I-E, Connie Macpherson, M-A-C-P-H-E-R-S-O-N, Macpherson, had kept the letter in that secret drawer. Full stop. Answer is over, and then you will draw line. Next you will write part 2, question number 1. Who had written the letter, comma, to whom, comma, and when? Question mark. Answer 1. Mr. Jim Macpherson had written the letter to his wife Connie on 26th December 1914. Full stop. It reached Mrs. Macpherson on 25th January 1915. Full stop. Then question 2. Why was the letter written? Hyphen. What was the wonderful thing that had happened? Question mark. Answer 2. Jim wrote the letter to his wife, comma, Connie, to describe the wonderful thing that had happened on the Christmas morning. Full stop. Then you will change paragraph and write, the wonderful thing that had happened was that the two armies, comma, the British and the German, fighting against each other, celebrated Christmas together. C-H-R-I-S-T-M-A-S, Christmas together. Full stop. After that, next is question number 3. What jobs did Hans Ulf and Jim Macpherson have when they were not soldiers? Question mark. Answer 3. Before joining the army, comma, Hans Ulf played the cello in the orchestra, O-R-C-H-E-S-T-R-A, orchestra, and Jim was a school teacher. Full stop. Next, question number 4. Had Hans Ulf ever been to Dorset? Question mark. Why did he say he knew it? Question mark. Answer 4. No, comma, Hans Ulf had never been to Dorset. Full stop. He had only read about Dorset, D-O-R-S-E-T, Dorset, in Hardy's Hardy_S. Hard is noble. Then you will start single inverted comma and write far, F-A-R, far from the madding, M-A-D-D-I-N-G, madding crowd, C-R-O-W-D, and then you will close the single inverted comma, because far from the madding crowd is a name of a novel. So he said that he knew it. Full stop. Next is question number 5. Do you think Jim McPherson came back, C-A-M-E, came back from the war? Question mark. How do you know this? Question mark. Answer 5. Jim McPherson never returned. R-E-T-U-R-N-E-D, returned back from the war because his wife Connie, aged, A-G-E-D, aged 101, still waiting, W-A-I-T-I-N-G, waiting for him. Full stop. Then after this, you will start part 3 question. You will write first part 3 and then write question number 1. Why did the author go to Bridgeport? Question mark. Answer 1. The author went to Bridgeport to meet Connie to return her letter. Full stop. And then you will draw line. Then question number 2. How old was Mrs. McPherson now? Question mark. Where was she? Question mark. Answer 2. Mrs. Connie McPherson was 101 years old. Full stop. She was admitted, A-D-M-I-T-T-E-D, admitted to Burling, B-U-R-L-I-N-G-T-O-N, Burlington House, H-O-U-S-E, house, nursing, N-U-R-S-I-N-G, nursing home, on the Dorchester, D-O-R-C-H-E-S-T-O-R, Dorchester Road, after her house had caught, C-A-U-G-H-T, caught fire, F-I-R-E, fire. Full stop. And write Burling, B capital, house, H capital, nursing, N capital, and home, H capital, because this is a name of nursing home. Next you will write question number 3. Who did Connie McPherson think her visitor was? Question mark. Answer 3. Connie McPherson thought, T-H-O-U-G-H-T, thought that the visitor carrying, C-A-R-R-Y-I-N-G, carrying the letter was her husband, Jim McPherson. Full stop. And then draw line. Question number 4. Which sentence in the text shows that the visitor did not try to hide his identity? I-D-E-N-T-I-T-Y, identity. Question mark. Answer 4. The sentence is, you will start with double inverted comma. I explained, E-X-P-L-A-I-N-E-D, explained about the desk, about how I had found it, but I don't think she was listening, L-I-S-T-E-N-I-N-G, listening, inverted comma, close, and answer is over. then you will draw line. Next heading you will write, all these answers were from part 3. The next heading you will write working with the text and question number 1. For how long do you think Connie had kept Jim's letter? Question mark. Give reasons for your answer. First stop. Answer 1. Connie had kept Jim's letter for a long time. Full stop. We understand. UNDERSTAND. Understand this from the fact when she told the narrator that how she used to read the letter every day and could feel Jim's presence, PRESENCE, presence around her always, 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 full stop, and then draw lines. Next is question number 2. Why do you think the desk had been sold, comma, and when? Question mark. Answer 2. The roll top desk must have been sold when Connie's house had burned. Full stop. After that, she was taken to a nursing home. NURSING, nursing home, and all the burnt up things must have been sold in the junk shop. Full stop. Next is question number 3. Why do Jim and Hans think that games or sports are good ways of resolving conflicts? Question mark. Do you agree? Question mark. Answer 3. Jim and Hans thought that games or sports are good ways of resolving conflicts because nobody dies in matches, 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 comma, no children are orphaned, 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 and no wives, 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 become widows, WIDOWS, widows. First stop. I completely agree with this line. Full stop. Answer is over. Next is question number 4. Do you think the soldiers of the two armies are like each other, comma, or different from each other? Question mark. Find evidence from the story to support your answer. Full stop. Answer 4. The soldiers of the two armies were like each other. Full stop. Some evidence from the story to prove this are: bit number 1. Both the armies celebrated Christmas together. Full stop. Bit number 2. They shared their food and spent time together. Full stop. Bit number 3. They played football match. Full stop. Bit number 4. They agreed about the negative aspects of war. Full stop. And bit number 5. They sang carols and hoped to unite with the families again. Full stop. Answer is over, and after that you will draw line. Next is question number 5. Mention the various ways in which the British and the German soldiers become friends and find things in common at Christmas? Next answer number 5. Both the British and the German soldiers were enemies at war, but on Christmas Day both of them wished Happy Christmas to each other. Full stop. They shared their feelings, enjoyed feast together, but by eating, drinking, etc. Full stop. They played football and sang carols. Full stop. Both the armies hated war and were anxious, anxious, anxious to return home to their families, 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 once the war comes to an end. Full stop. Question number 6. What is Connie's Christmas present? Question mark. Why is it the best Christmas present in the world? You will write the best Christmas present in the world in double inverted comma and then put question mark. Answer number 6. When narrator came to see Connie and gave her the box, she mistook, mistook him for her husband Jim. Full stop. She thought that Jim had come home for Christmas and he was the best Christmas present in the world for her, because Jim had written in the letter that he would come home on Christmas. Full stop. Now he was finally there with her, so she was extremely happy. EXTREMELY, extremely happy. Full stop. Question 7. Do you think the title of the story is suitable for it? Question mark. Can you think of any other titles? Question mark. Answer 7. According to me, the title of the story, and double inverted comma will start. The best Christmas present in the world, double inverted comma will close, is quite apt, apt, as all the events in the story revolve around Christmas. Other titles are bit number 1, the best Christmas gift, and bit number 2, a Christmas wish comes true. Full stop. You will write all answers in proper handwriting and neatly, and after every answer you have to draw line.